This is Nahala TT.
And welcome to her vlog.
We were staying at the Pattaya, and the food here was pretty amazing. And you know, when there's a buffet, we eat. Okay, let me eat first. Food is the first priority. And especially, it's a vacation, so we must eat. No, wait. I got the wrong plate. That's not mine.
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What?
It has pineapple, fried rice, Thai, basil, something, and a lot of stuff. Cherry tomato. This is my second plate. It's basically pandan custard bread.
24 seconds, yeah, you better not stop. You got
This is my sister Mishna, and she's the textbook definition of chaos. Oh well, she's my sister, so I guess it's pretty self-explanatory. Oh yes, this was one of the best day of our entire trip because we got to visit the Coral Island.
Please follow Nancy, please. We got in the island and Parasailing too much people, sir. Nancy alone. Okay. I can't remember. Please follow Nancy and follow your team, please. Pink color band. You looking, nah? We go together.
Pink color band now.
Pink color band. Group.
Well, it's every Pinterest girlie's dream vacation, okay? Hello gang, we are going to Coral Island now. Oh my god. It's so windy. Let's go. Stop 1 was this parasailing spot, and you guys, it was one of the most exhilarating activity I have done in the 19 whole years that I've lived on this planet Earth.
Stop it. Get some help.
Go, Kylie, go! Good job, Kylie!
Before you ask, this is my dad.
Parasailing കഴിഞ്ഞോ? How was parasailing?
Do once.
Yeah. Coral Island.
Stop 2 is Koh Larn. This is what, ladies and gentlemen, what I call an ideal vacation. If you're visiting Pattaya, this is a must-visit spot. I mean, look at it. Hello gang, now this is post Coral Island situation. We are all soaked and wet and dirty and sandy, whatever. This is our lunch. Wow. Yeah, it's an Indian lunch. Wow. Yeah, this is Mishna's plate. Oh please, don't judge us. It's really hard to get Indian food here. Hello gang. We are now going to the biggest 7-Eleven. At least we are trying to reach there. This is our post Coral Island look. We look also like reddish tint. I swear it's not the blush. We don't even need the blush. Look at that. Look, even my face, look at it. It's like so red. Okay. Mommy, little bro. We have been to 7-Eleven like 5 times and it's only the second day in Thailand. So yeah. I don't think it's fair to do a video without mentioning 7-Eleven, and I'm also pretty sure that I'm in love with 7-Eleven. Like it's actually not even funny. I just love 7-Eleven a lot.
Drink, swalla la la. Drink, swalla.
My sister was going nuts over the Thai beauty products. We spent quite a lot of money here. And when I say Thailand is moving in a different velocity, I really mean it.
What do you mean you can't put this cap on a normal bottle and turn it to a gloss and beauty train?
This is the gummy place. Look at the collection of gummies they have. Oh, this is the Plaza one. Everyone have been raving about this. Oh yes, the viral banana chocolate milk trend. Oh my god, please don't try this. This was a reaction to the drink. I just don't understand the concept of the drink. Yeah, Thai tea is way better. Anyway, Thai tea, she won in life with Thai. It's way cheaper and it's way better. So that was a fail. Like, this is the stuff. Watered down chocolate. It's not even chocolate. A little bit. Yeah, a little bit chocolate. A lot of banana and a lot of artificial taste. Who said this was nice? I don't know. Like, I don't know. Like, it's way, it's not good. Now I'm kind of outraged. Like, I should have tried making other stuff with the money. Or I should have done this separately. It would have been better. Yeah, but hey, the cup looks aesthetic. That's all that matters. Now to the things we bought from 7-Eleven. I know this is quite a lot of stuff. We spent almost 500 to 600 baht there. I don't know. It was a lot of stuff. We are in Tuk-Tuk right now. And around 8:30ish, we decide to go to the Terminal 21 mall. Thank you. We are back at our hotel room after a very long day. My parents and my whole family actually is eating dinner. I got this cute stuffed dessert from Terminal 21 mall. The store is called Bao Kawaii and it's so cute. It's like 50 baht, but it's just cute. So far, Thai food has been very confusing. The bread is strawberry flavored, like very lightly strawberry flavored. It's actually pretty nice. I like it. It's like 7 out of 10. I don't know how am I supposed to.
Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas, mad snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived. Don't be sleeping on your lover, cause it's beauty in the struggle, nigga.